Hi, and welcome back to another video. It's been a couple weeks. I've been very busy getting little things sorted. It's not really enough to have an entire video. That's why there hasn't been one out. This is just me like an update on what's happening. So over the past 2-ish weeks, I've just been sorting out all the little bits that I'm able to do in my workshop, and all the bits which I don't need taken in to a friend to get done there. I'll just show you all the bits that I've sorted. I had a broken stud here which I've gotten out, and this head bolt had snapped off to about here. So I took this head bolt off the other engine and I've put it on. I've cleaned out all the bottom and I've like stripped it totally back. And now I've got all the parts that need to be painted laying out. It's really getting to the stage where I've ordered all the parts and I've ordered all the tools and all the paints and everything. And I'm just waiting on the paint to arrive, then I can get started painting. I've got a wire brush set for a drill. This is my dad's old drill. It's not very powerful, but it gets it done. I don't know how well it shows up on the camera, but this is all paint free. It's not really that good at getting all the rust out, as you can see, but I've ordered a bottle of rust converter as a spray on, and I've also got that rust converter for all the little parts. So hopefully that will, I'm just going to be using the wire brush to get the paint off and like the major chunks of rust, and then I'm going to spray it all down with rust converter, which I think will hopefully work. Hopefully at the end of next week I'm going to get all the, I think there's 4 or 5 things which I need done with help. I'll hopefully get them all done by taking them into a place, and then they're going to do it all there. That includes taking the water bung tap off. I've got a replacement one in here, which I bought off eBay. I got a replacement one here, because the one down here is all rusted. So I've got a replacement one of these, and hopefully that will come off and the threads will be intact enough to get this one on. This is really good actually, so I'm really happy with this. I've also stripped off all the parts off this engine which I'm going to be selling, which is like the governor, the end plate, the flywheel. I'm going to get that separated for selling. But I've also got in here all the bits that I can sell. So like I've got the fuel tank, top and bottom. I've got the oil, no I don't know, and I've got the float chamber and all the pieces of the carburetor. The float bottle, that one, it was all like blown up. I don't know why that happened, but I don't know if I'll be able to sell it then. I might just sell the body. I've got a face protector and like leather thingy for the wire wheel. It isn't very powerful, so I don't know how much I need the leather apron, but I've got it anyway because I'll probably need it in the future. I'll also be getting a video out about the magneto, and it being stripped down and taken apart. Probably next weekend it'll go out. So because I've got a replacement, everything's replaced, but there's a couple bits which I still need to wonder if I'm going to get a new bit or if I'm going to be able to take this bit off. And I've also decided that I'm probably just going to sell the water pump for parts instead of restoring it, because it needs lots of parts and it's going to be really expensive and I don't really have the money for it. Like the bearing, when the bearings is done, and the valves are really expensive to get replaced. So I think I'm just going to sell that for parts and make money back off of that instead of restoring it and like losing money. I also got the first engine off of its trolley, but one bolt was stuck in it, so, and it's completely rotten through. So I'm going to probably get a joiner friend to make me just a new setup I'm going to use the bolts and the wheels off of this one on the new one. You can see here that one wheel has got a huge crack out of it. I don't know how easy that will be to get replaced, but we'll try. And also, all 3 other coach bolts came out, but this one decided that it was like glued in, and it just didn't move. I don't know why that is, but I'm going to be using all these bolts here and the wheels on just a new trolley using the exact same dimensions, but for that engine. So yeah, this video was really just a catch up. It's just gonna be really short, just saying what's happening. From the should be videos from now on, every weekend-ish, from yeah, every weekend-ish until it's finished. And once it's finished, I don't know what I'm going to be doing.